I am renovating my bathroom and decided to use the Mohawk Home luxury vinyl plank flooring purchased from Costco. This flooring uses the Uniclick locking system, making the installation process a bit different from traditional vinyl flooring. The Uniclick system allows for a glueless, floating floor installation, where the planks lock together using a tongue and groove system. You can easily install the plank by either angling the planks or horizontally clicking them together, depending on the situation. After laying the first row, the second row should be installed with the planks staggered by at least 6 inches to create a more natural look. Fit the tongue side of the new plank into the groove of the first plank in the second row. Maintain a slight angle as you align the tongue into the groove of the planks from the first row. Once aligned, gently slide the plank into place, ensuring both the long and short sides are properly engaged with the previous planks. Using a rubber mallet, tap along the edges of the plank to ensure it is fully seated into the groove of the first row. As you install the next planks in the row, join the short ends of the planks first. Align the plank's tongue into the groove of the adjacent plank. Once it is inserted, slightly lift and tap the long edge until the planks are locked in place. Always ensure that both the long and short edges of the plank are flush with the surrounding planks to avoid gaps. Another way is fitting the long edge first, then tapping the left side to ensure a tight fit between the joints. So that means you can either fit the short or long edge, then tap the other edge to lock the planks. I prefer tapping the long edge as it is a bit easier. Once the second row is complete, you can proceed with the installation of the third row and beyond. The Uniclick system used in these planks makes the installation process efficient while providing a durable and seamless floor finish.